Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see about top 10 energy wastage areas in commercial buildings. See, nowadays energy savings and in order to maintain the energy performance index is very important. So let us see what are the common 10 wastage areas. So if we know where we waste the energy, so probably we can start saving the energy, right? Okay. AHUs running without demand. See, unoccupied zones cooled unnecessarily. Install VFDs and BMS based occupancy sensors. So, with this, we can save up to 15 to 30% of energy. See, in commercial buildings for cooling systems, we use AHUs, right? So, but AHUs cooling air is supplied in sometimes implies unoccupied area. If you find out the area and if you close that VAV in that particular zone, we can save the energy. So lighting left on 24%. Empty meeting rooms are common areas. So by using motion sensors and LED updates, we can save up to 40% on lighting load. Overcooling or overheating spaces. So thermostats set too low or too high. So by maintaining 23 to 25 degrees Celsius auto shut off in the ideal hours, we can save 5 to 15% of HVAC costs. Compressed air leaks in utility areas, air loss in pipelines and joints. So sometimes pipe might have some gaps or leaks. So by identifying and closing those things, uh, by ultrasonic leak detection, periodic inspection, we can fix this. 20 to 30% of compressor energy we can save. So old inefficient motors, sometimes inefficient low motors, efficiency motors in pumps and AHUs. So we can fix that, upgrade to IE3 or IE4 motors. We can save up to 5 to 10% per motor. Unmaintained chillers and cooling towers, scaling, folding, poor delta T. These are the wastage reason. So regular chemical cleaning and water treatment. So we can fix this. Because of this, we can save 10 to 15% of chiller energy. Pumps running without load. Sometimes manual operation with no flow demand. So it will leads to unnecessary energy wastage. So automation, VFD using flow sensors, we can. So this OPEX, operational expense cut in WTP, STP and chilled water systems. Poor building envelope. So insulation, if you don't do the proper insulation, which will leads to losses. So loss of conditioned air. We can seal the gaps in windows, ducts and doors. So we can improve the HVAC efficiency. Standby equipment not turned off. Ideal DGs, GPS systems are elevators. Schedule the rotation and turn off the standby units. No energy monitoring. Hidden losses due to lack of visibility. So we can install submeters, monitor BTUs and dashboards. 10 to 20% we can save the energy. So you can't manage what you don't measure, right? So you can start small, fix the leaks, track consumption, automate wisely. See, I wanted to tell you something. In our commercial building also, I just studied the employee login log out time, and whenever they're going for break or lunch, for long break like lunch time. So what did I do now? I just turned up the AHU in BMS. So because of that, and also in our reception, it's a triplet area where AHU was running unnecessarily. I just turned up that also. Because of these small changes, and we had 4 UPS. So in that we just instead of the load was only each UPS load was only 20%. So I just turned up the one UPS system. It's a modular based, so that I could save around 60,000 units in 6 months span of time. So please take some initiatives and start saving energy. Thank you.